Welcome back to Decorating with Kelly. Today I'm going to change things up a bit and share a new design book with you. Now this isn't your everyday pretty design book, but an exploration of what makes a home a home. The Space That Keeps You by Jeremiah Brent. This book is a deeply introspective exploration of the emotional significance of our homes, offering a unique perspective on how our living spaces reflect our identities and experiences. From the anecdotes shared, it blends personal narratives with insightful design principles, offering readers a deeper understanding of what truly makes a house a home. Before I dig deeper into the book, here's a little background on Jeremiah. Jeremiah Brent is an interior designer, television personality, and founder of Jeremiah Brent Design, an interior design firm with locations in Los Angeles and New York City. Named to Architectural Digest's AD 100 list as a leading design talent, the Central California native first honed his forward-thinking yet elegantly timeless artistry through furniture design. He soon emerged as a singular new voice in the interior design world, embracing a highly intuitive approach focused on elevating each client's emotional connection to their space. Jeremiah currently lives in New York City with his husband, Nate Burkus, and their two young children, Poppy and Oscar. Most of us know his partner, Nate, from The Oprah Show. Now let's dig into Jeremiah Brent's new book, The Space That Keeps You. Jeremiah delves into the deeper meaning of home, exploring how memories and personal connections, rather than just design, contribute to creating a sense of belonging. Through interviews with various individuals, including clients and friends, Brent uncovers stories of cherished moments and emotional attachments that make a house a home. From the cozy Greenwich Village apartment of Michael and Brooke to the historic Venetian palazzo of Bianca and Gilberto, each home reflects the unique narratives and experiences of its inhabitants. Even Oprah makes an appearance, and we get a glimpse into what resonated with her when she found her home. Or better yet, her home found her. Brent also shares his journey of rediscovering the significance of a former residence on Fifth Avenue, and the process of renovating a farmhouse in Portugal with his husband, Nate Burkus, ultimately finding their own forever space, a place that combines his past, present, and future. As Oprah herself might say, this is a full circle moment for Jeremiah. In a recent YouTube live video, Jeremiah talks about how the impetus behind creating this book is primarily due to having moved 10 times in 10 years. That each chapter is a love story. Now, this is a different approach to design, where the home and its design is a true reflection of those who live there. It's not about the money, but more about the memories that the space and the treasures the home holds. The layout is more like a personal journey of the 2 years involved in creating the book, with pictures in a collage format and actual scribbles from Jeremiah himself. Now I'd like to share a few reviews with you. This is not a typical design book. Jeremiah tells rich stories of families and what home means to many individuals all over the world. His love for Nate and their children resonates throughout and nearly brings you to tears, especially if you're familiar with their show and follow them on social media. Spectacular, worth every penny. I read it in one sitting. Another review is, this is a heartfelt book. As someone who closely follows design books, I appreciate the deep look this one takes. Living is respected for more than being on trend. This is a reflection, an artful intention, and what makes a house a home. And finally, this book really is a love story, and it celebrates all that unfolds in the course of a lifetime in the spaces that we call home. Beautiful.